Let's play a game today where we count colors and shapes and then find a surprise inside. Are you ready? Great! Let's start with blue. Blue in Spanish is azul. 1, 2, 3. Keep counting with me. Next is number 4. And our last is number 5. Great job! What's this inside of the blue box? I wonder what's underneath the Play-Doh. It's blue. Do you know what it is? I think it's a train. It is. It's a blue train with a number 2 on it. This blue train is kind of small. Blue. But this blue train is much bigger. Can you say blue? Good job. Here's another train, but this train is green. And now this train is black. There's lots of different kinds of trains. This train is purple. In Spanish, that's morado. This train is red. And now this train is white. White in Spanish is blanco. And now for our last train, it's black. In Spanish, that's negro. Blue trains are great. Are you ready to count the green? Green in Spanish is verde. Here we go. 1, 2, keep counting. 3, 4, and our last one is 5. That's a triangle. I think there's another surprise in here. It's buried underneath all of that green. Will you help me dig it out? Great. Let's see. It looks green. I wonder what it is. Hey, it's a dinosaur. It's a brontosaurus. Wow, that looks like it could be a big dinosaur. Lots of dinosaurs were green. Did you know that animals today that are green also that look like dinosaurs are alligators? Dinosaurs were born from eggs, and they would roar really loud. Can you roar like a dinosaur? Roar! That sounded great. Dinosaurs were all different colors and sizes. Some of them ate plants, and some of them ate meat. Can you say dinosaur? Dinosaur. In Spanish, dinosaur is dinosaurio. Dinosaurio. Did you know that there were also some dinosaurs that could fly? They were really big and flew in the air just like a bird. But it didn't have feathers like a bird. Let's see what our next color is we're going to count. It's yellow, which is amarillo in Spanish. 1, 2, 3. Keep counting with me. 4. And our last one, you got this, 5. I think there's another surprise in the box. It's yellow, but it's buried underneath there. What is it? It looks like it's yellow also. Let's open it up and see. There, it's a giraffe. A giraffe is yellow. It's also really tall and has a really long neck. Now remember, yellow in Spanish is amarillo. What else is yellow? Bees and lions and chicks. They're yellow also. Orange is anaranjado in Spanish. 1, count with me. 2, you got it. 3, 4, and 5. I can't wait to see what surprise is inside the orange box. We're going to need to dig real deep. Who is that under there? Hey, it's Zuma from Paw Patrol. Zuma's wearing an orange outfit. Anaranjado. Zuma likes to swim under the water. Can you think of other animals or creatures that like to be under the water? Dolphins live in the water. And some turtles live in the water. Also, jellyfish live in the water. Can you say jellyfish? Isn't that beautiful? Now, why don't we look at our red color, rojo in Spanish? Okay, count with me. 1, 2, 3, almost done. 4, and now our last one is 5. Okay, I know you're ready for it. Let's see what's inside the red box. It's hidden pretty well in there. Let's dig. I think it's Marshall from Paw Patrol. Marshall works on a fire truck. A fire truck is a really important truck that helps protect us from fires. There are lots of lights, just like on a police car. A police car has lights too, so you know when they're coming. It's usually an emergency, and they're there to protect you. Another car that has lights is an ambulance. An ambulance will take people to the hospital when they're sick. Did you know a helicopter can also be an ambulance? That's right. Thanks, Marshall, for helping protect us. And thank you for playing with me today. Please ask your parents to subscribe for more videos. Bye!